You dey hypnotize me when you dance for me. You don't want to give nobody else all for me. Nah, nah, nah. I don't see your ways, but I know say you carry. That big body bend, I know it's all.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the unit that is on my head right now. So this unit is really cute and really affordable, and it is great quality. So if you want more details on this unit, just stay tuned. So the unit that is on my head right now is from Sogoodhair. Thank you, Sogoodhair, for sending me this unit. So it came in this box. It just has their logo on it as well as their website. In the box, the unit just came in this plastic baggie. The hairnet is in here and everything for when I'm ready to store it again. When I took the wig out of the box, I was actually surprised to see these 3D mink lashes in there, and these are so freaking cute, and I cannot wait to wear them. So now I'm just going to get into some of the specs on the wig. So the wig on the website is called Brazilian Hair Short Bob Lace Front Wig, natural color, pre-plucked hairline, Sogoodhair. Obviously that's a very long name. They have quite a few bobs on the website too, so if you're looking for different types, I would definitely look into the website. I will be sure to leave the link down below as well as the link to this particular wig. So the pricing for this wig actually starts at $84, and that is for the 10-inch. The 12-inch is $88, and then the 14-inch wig is $96. I actually chose the 14. This is actually an angled cut bob, so yeah, the only part that is 14 is the very front. This side is a little shorter than this side, which isn't that big of a deal. I'm probably just gonna have someone cut it for me. So let me give you guys a quick look at what this unit looks like all around. Excuse my hair, it's not exactly flat under here. Your girl tried her best because she can't cornrow. So this is the right side. This is the left side. This is the back. And as you guys can see, this hair is far from stiff, honey. Okay. This is 100% human hair. It is not chemically processed. This hair is 150% density, and as you can see, the density looks really good. It's not too thin at all. So it's like natural to maybe slightly thick. So a bit about the cap construction very quickly. It is a 13x4 unit, which means it's 13 inches this way, so it goes ear to ear, and then there's 4 inches of parting space. So there's lace and there's baby hair in the back. So the baby hair is all around, and it comes with plenty of baby hair. They are a little long. I decided not to cut them. I just gelled them and then push the hairs in here. So as you guys can see, that's how long the baby hair is. So it is quite long. If you wanted to cut it, I simply don't have time and I didn't want to mess this unit up. If you want to cut the baby hair, you can, but it comes with plenty of baby hair, which I love. So if you love to lay your baby hairs all around, you can. If you don't like the baby hairs, you can always just put some mousse and comb them into the wig. Because they're so long, you won't be able to notice the difference. This is a natural color, by the way, so you probably can't tell because of the lighting, but in regular lighting, it does show up as a nice brown. So this unit is pre-plucked, and the knots are supposed to be bleached. To me, the knots do not look bleached at all, but that's fine. I personally don't bleach knots on units. One, because I don't wear human hair wigs like that, and two, because I heard that when you bleach the knots, the wigs don't last as long. So if you do get the wig and you're into bleached knots, I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to go in and bleach these yourself. But I went in with my foundation, and this is what it looks like. So I went in and plucked the part because I wanted it to be more open. It was very densely packed. Personally, you're not going to really be able to see my hairline, so I don't really care. But if you're into plucking your units, you're probably going to want to pluck this one. If you're a beginner and you're worried about whether or not just throwing some foundation on it is going to, you know, make it look natural, there you go. Because of my lighting, you can see where the lace ends. In person, it's not as noticeable. So I have a big head and I have a lot of hair, and I don't know how to cornrow, so my hair is not exactly flat under here. So if you have a big head and a lot of hair, you will definitely be able to fit this wig, especially if you braid your hair down flat. As for if you have a smaller head, you will definitely be able to fit this unit, especially if you tighten up your straps. As for the quality of this unit, is absolutely amazing. I got absolutely no tangling and no shedding. It's so soft. When I took it out of the packaging, I was like, oh my god, I love it already. I would 100% recommend this hair. This hair is such great quality. It's so nice and it's very beginner friendly, and I can tell that this hair right here is going to last a very long time. So if you are looking for a good quality wig for the low, check out Sogoodhair. Make sure you use my coupon code KA10 for $10 off of your purchase, and shipping is free on this website. I will be sure to leave the link for this wig right here and the website down below in my description box. Thanks again, Sogoodhair, for sending me this unit. Let me know what you guys think about this unit down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.